What up, guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, second video of the day, March 6, 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring to you line lock on the Tazer. Line lock has been on the Tazer since day one. And I've never done an actual video on this, but I've showed people how to do Tazer line lock in their own cars in the past, and I've done it at pretty much every car meet that we've been on. That's what I use, line lock, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it today on my strip here in Canada where I go. As you guys know, I don't go to Mexico, I go to Canada. It's just a shorter drive for me. Now that I'm here in Canada, I'm going to show you guys exactly how line lock works. All right, guys, so we're going to do this line lock. It's going to be just in street mode, regular. I just want to show you how it works. I'm not looking for any performance with this video or any performance in this line lock. So I want to show you guys in just street mode how it works, how the functions work on the actual steering wheel, and what you have to do to get your wheels to lock. And what happens is your front wheels brake and in this feature, and your rear wheels are completely released. The brakes are not on your rear wheels, and it allows them to be free when you step on the accelerator. You don't have to step on your brake at all, and then you'll do a perfect burnout. I'm going to show you guys that right now, how it's done. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure your car is in drive. All right, your car needs to be in drive like it is right now. Once it's in drive, then you can start this process to go to line lock. All right, now with line lock, what you have to do is you have to use this. You have to use this same left arrow. All right, this left arrow, you have to hold it down, and at the same time, while you hold it down, you press this plus button right here at the same time. And then when you do that, it will activate the line lock, and your screen, as you will see in a minute, will start to glitch up. It starts to glitch up real fast, like crazy. And then it will tell you to pump the brake. All right. Now, once my foot is on the brake right now, okay, because I'm in drive. But once you activate the line lock, you can take your foot off the brake, and it will tell you to pump the brake twice firmly. And then that will now activate the line lock. And then after you've done that, you can step on the accelerator and you'll do a perfect burnout. Also, I wanted to give you guys a note. When you are doing this feature, this line lock, when you press this button down, this left arrow key, and then at the same time you press the plus sign here, you have to keep either one of them held down. It doesn't matter. All right, since I'm holding the camera with my right hand, I'm just gonna use my left hand and just keep the left arrow held down. All right, but technically it doesn't matter. You could keep the plus sign held down, all right, without this one being held down, or vice versa. It just doesn't matter. But you do have to have one button. You have to keep your finger on one of these buttons the whole time while the burnout is being done. Or if you release it, the burnout stops. It releases the whole program, and the burnout stops. So one of these buttons has to be held down at the same time the burnout is being done. This keeps it active. All right, guys. So left arrow and the set button. Hold them down. Hold them down. It tells you this. You can take your foot off the brake. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen. That's gonna be it, guys, for today's video. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.